everyone. Today I am going to deal with the topic of maintenance of a capital accounts. It is a part of accounting for partnership basic concept chapter 2. Here there are two methods for maintaining of the capital accounts. One is the fixed capital method, the other one is the fluctuating capital method. According to fixed capital method, the partner's capital remains constant when he includes any additional capital or withdrawing of the money. According to the fixed capital, here we maintain the two types of accounts. One is the partner's capital account and partner's current account. In a partner's capital account, we have to only enter here the additional capital introduced by the partner and the existing capital of the partner. The next, in a partner's current account, here we should record the interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary, etc. The next, fluctuating capital method means the capital of the partners, it changed or it fluctuate when he included any additional capital or withdrawing the money from the organization. Today just we discuss a simple problem on fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Here Sindhu and Bindu are the partners sharing profits and losses 3:2 and the sum adjustments are given here. This problem is solved according to the fixed capital method as well as the fluctuating capital method. In a fixed capital method, this is a simple format of a fixed capital account. The first column date, the second column details, the third column LF, fourth column Sindhu, fifth column Bindu, the next column date, the next details LF, Sindhu, Bindu. Here one point you should be remembered here. In a partner's capital account, we should enter the credit side of the partner's capital as well as the additional capital introduced by the partners. Here first of all you should write in this problem they cannot be given any dates. That's why we should enter amount here by balance brought down. The capital of the Sindhu and Bindu given in the problem, that is 20 lakh and 10 lakh. Here you should write that amount in a credit side. Next, by additional capital. Additional capital. The additional capital is given in the problem. The additional capital contributed by the Sindhu 3 lakh and Bindu 2 lakh. Only we should enter the two items. One is a balance, the other one is a additional capital. After that you total it and write it as a balance carried on. Here the total 23 lakh here 12 lakh. Here the same amount should be entered here. This is called as the to balance carry down 23 lakh and 12 lakh. The 50% of problem is completed. The next remaining 50%, here the one more account is prepared according to the fixed capital method, that is the partner's current account. In a capital account we should enter the additional capital and existing capital amount, but in a current account we should enter the other adjustment. Here the one technique you should this is the debit side and this is the credit side. The format of a partner's current account, first one is a date, particulars, JF, Sindhu, Bindu, particulars LF, Sindhu and Bindu. Here in a debit side of the partner's current account, only here the two items are comes. The first one is the drawings, the next one is the interest on drawings. The other remaining items are comes in a credit side of the current account. That's why we should enter the other adjustment. The first one is the interest on capital. It comes in a credit side. It is a 5%. The 5% on 20 lakh. The Sindhu capital amount is 20 lakh. That's why 20 lakh into 5 by 100, it comes in a 1 lakh. The next, the Bindu capital is 10 lakh. In a 10 lakh into 5 by 100 comes in a 50,000. Next, the next adjustment, the interest on drawings. The drawings comes in a debit side of the partner's current account. 2 drawings. The drawings amount 30,000, 20,000. The next item, salary. Salary comes in a credit side. By salary, the value of salary 20,000. The second column dash. The next item, commission. The Sindhu 10,000 and Bindu 7,000. By commission, Sindhu 10,000, Bindu 7,000. The all adjustments are completed here. Here the interest on capital credit side, the drawings debit side, and interest on drawings is also debit side. Here the interest on drawings to interest on drawings, the amount should be given here. The value or the amount 1800 and 1200. You should remember one thing, in a partner's current account there are only two items. One is the drawings, the second one is the interest on drawings. In a debit side, the any other adjustments or the all items comes in a credit side, the current accounts. Here the all adjustment is over here. Here the addition contributed is also taken here. The interest capital, drawings, interest on drawings, salary and commission. Total it and find out the balance. Here the total 57,000 and here 1,30,000. Next, here the credit side amount is more, that's why you should write total column 1,30,000 and 57,000. In a 57,000 minus 21,200, it comes in a 35,800. And the 31,000, here the 1,30,000 minus 31,800, the balance 1,01,800. This is called as the to balance carried on. This is the method of maintenance of a capital accounts according to the fixed capital method. Thank you.